talk to you about shipping and you're going to like it. Start the timer. Our ship today is Cecil and Carlos from Welcome to Night Vale. The reason that I ship it is because Cecil literally states that he is absolutely in love with Carlos the very first time he sees him in person. And every other time, he's always like, perfect Carlos and wonderful Carlos with his perfect hair. And then freaking Carlos just wants to talk about science. But it's okay because we all understand that Carlos will eventually love Cecil too. And then it happens. And then Carlos has a, spoiler alert, near-death experience, except for he doesn't die because the Apache guy, that jerk, saves him. And then he calls Cecil that night and is like, hey, let's talk. And Cecil's like, okay, what science we're gonna do? He's like, no science, I just wanted to see you. And then he kisses him, and then they do science together, and I ship it, and it's great. The reason you should ship it is because Welcome to Night Vale is fantastic, and you should all get into Welcome to Night Vale. Welcome to Night Vale is glorious, and it has ships. It's canon. Do the thing. And it has one of the greatest voices in the world. How much time do I have left?
4 seconds.
4 more shipping! Ship it. Welcome to Night Vale.